G'day, you Rip Roaring Bonds of Beauty Mobile Legends. Uncle Jojo here. I am going to give you a little secret. This here is actually one of my favourite presents I ever got. It's a bronze line Nilsson palm plane, block plane. It's one of my favourite things in the world. And just to make sure that I keep it nice and ridgy-dig, I quite often just bring it back in to the factory and give her a lick on my tri-stone. Believe it or not, it's called a tri-stone. It's 3 stones in one. I got a fine, I got a medium, and I got a super coarse. So what that does is it allows me just to give that a lick and get it super sharp and super amazing. Just like me. Don't you know it? Muy espectacular. If you've got any questions about sharpening up your line Nilsson, let me know. Otherwise, stay awesome.